Всем привет, добро пожаловать в мое новое видео. Wait. Shut up, I know it's cringy. Anyway, hello everybody and welcome to my new video. Aha! I'm not gonna clap this time. I clapped, I didn't mean to clap, alright. Hello everybody and welcome to another video about this Miata. You thought I was gonna clap, huh? Okay, no. Today, we are not doing anything super crazy. We're not doing any cool stuff, really. We're just cleaning up a bunch of metal. I have to cut a bunch of little things, clean it up, clean up some rust. Thank you for joining me on this Thank you for joining me in this, God damn it, how do I word this? Thank you for joining me in the other video, on today's video. Thank you for joining me in this new video, in today's video, god damn it. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and let's get going. So, the first thing I'm gonna do today is cut this off. I'm gonna trim this piece before this seal. Like I'm just gonna trim this pit. English. I can't talk in English. God damn it. I'm gonna trim this piece above the seal, and then I'm gonna cut off where the windshield connected because it's just out of place. Weight reduction, you know, all that kind of stuff. Right?
Right.
Who needs a bottle opener when you have a Miata? Wait. Boom. Cut myself, but that's okay. We cut it off, boys. We got it. It looks a lot better, actually. That's already looking a lot better. Next step is cutting the windshield part, like the further part, off at the same level as I cut this off. Hopefully, it's gonna look nice as well. I also have to clean up this cut because it's probably really sharp. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. We just did a bunch of cutting today, guys. There's nothing really exciting about it, but I'm actually waiting for parts. I'm still waiting for parts. I'm waiting for pedals, brake booster, and a steering rack. Steering rack. English. Thank you. So the guys who were supposed to sell me this stuff aren't really replying on my email. So if anyone has parts such as pedals, brake booster, and a steering rack for a 1991 Miata, please let me know. Comment in the description, not in the description, comment down below. If you guys want to see this thing running sooner rather than later, please get me parts. I will pay for them, I will buy them. Just please get me the parts. Thank you very much for your attention, and let's get cutting. Got a lot to cut. I made this cut right here, and I have no idea yet how to cut all the stuff around here because I can't really get under there. And I have to cut this off and like straighten this up, like cut this up, and a lot of cutting. I got this piece off, just this piece. I'm planning to clean up this entire section on each side. It's really painful because I can't reach there with a grinding wheel or cutting wheel. I need a saw, and we don't have blades, and I don't want to go to the store and get a blade because, you know, I'm lazy. As I was talking earlier, I cleaned up this part, and this is pretty even, and this is pretty okay. Still needs a little bit of probably grinding off and smoothening. We gotta get it smoother. That's all I mean. I'm bored of doing it because it needs to be done, okay? But it's not super exciting thing to do. But I'm gonna do it. And I might as well make a video. I know it's not super exciting. Pasha, stop saying it's not super exciting, just do your thing. Okay, I will. Thank you very much. It's been quite some time and I've been trying to get rid of this corner. So
all I've been doing is complaining.
So yeah, I use the hammer to just kind of try to knock it down and see where I can bend it. Maybe it's going to be easier to get to the parts where I have to cut, and not really. If we did this before putting the cage in, it would have been so much easier, but we didn't, so I have to deal with it now. Also, someone commented that they will donate $5 if I say suka bled on a video, so suka bled it is. Suka bled. Caleb, say suka bled. Maybe we'll donate $10.
Suka bled.
There you go. $10 maybe?
A Russian.
Yeah. And we're back. I was gonna say, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video, but I realized that I haven't finished filming the video for the Miata. And I am currently home, as you can see, but let's get going. I also think I figured out how to make my camera a little bit more stable, because camera has in-camera stabilization.
And I know it was supposed to work, however, my lens is 16mm lens, if that makes any difference, but that stabilization thing, it can auto-detect which lens you're using, or you can manually set it to which focal length lens you're having. So, what I did, I actually manually set the lens to, or like the camera stabilization thing, to 16mm lens. I don't know why I'm explaining all this, but I hope you guys enjoy this video anyway.
Did you just lock the door? Wow, okay, very cool. You're so funny. Oh, you're also filming me. Okay.
This is awkward.
Okay, bye. I'm
Right,
just gonna go. See ya.
Bye.
And we're back at the shop. Today, it's another day. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to work on the car last time I was filming. However, we got everything we need. Today is the day when I finally finish this video. Okay, within 15 minutes, I just cut pretty much these two little pieces off. And it's such a pain in the ass. It has to be done, but... So I cut this. And then now I'm working on all that really gross looking metal. I didn't get to film this, but I just cut this piece and it actually went really smooth. So it was this piece right here. I was holding basically, I think it was holding the door. No, maybe not. Probably the dash. Because the door was held by this hinge right there and some screws right there. But this thing was right here, and it just like one saw blade cut through. Super nice and smooth. Super awesome. Go. Nice cut. Thanks. I talk to myself a lot, that's cool. Yay. What's up, gamers? Just Pasha here. Jesus Christ, what am I doing with my life? Whew! On a serious note, On a serious note, I want to have a little conversation. First of all, I really want to apologize for not posting videos about the Miata because there's just basically not much going on with the car. I can't really do anything. I don't have the pedals, I don't have the brake booster, I don't have a steering rack. And even if I did, it would have been a boring video. Hey, look at me, I installed pedals, I put them in, I screwed them in, very nice, and such as brake booster and steering rack, same thing, boring. I want the videos to be more exciting, that's why I put memes in it. Hooray! But yeah, it's not that I want the videos to be exciting, it's just I want to make videos not only about the car, but also about what I want to do. And I hope you guys at least understand it, because I don't want to force content that I don't really enjoy doing. I do enjoy doing the car, but I can't do it without parts, without money. There's nothing to do with it right now. I'm waiting for Caleb to get the engine parts, so we're gonna start rebuilding the engine. That's coming, that's gonna be coming very, very soon. We still need brakes, we still need gauges, we need pedals, we need parts. I don't have the money. You're gonna say, hey, we donated to you. Yeah, we raised like $145. Awesome, I appreciate it, it's amazing. I'm gonna get a new battery and I'm gonna wire up new headlights eventually. And I'm gonna put them on, we're gonna test them. I got sponsored for the headlights. As you saw in my vlog, I did clickbait it a little bit saying I got sponsored, boohoo, very nice. I'm not really trying to do clickbait, I'm not really trying to do that kind of like catchy stuff so people just watch it, so I just get watch time, I get paid, whatever. No, I'm trying to have good content and I'm just trying to have fun. That's what I do that for. I don't know why I'm explaining all this to you, I'm just having a little, you know, personal conversation here. I just really thank you all for watching, for being a subscriber, for supporting me on this build, on the channel, on just in my personal life, I guess, I don't know. I post stuff on Twitter, Instagram, or whatever else, and you guys seem to like whatever I post, and you're really supportive, and it's just beyond amazing. I've never thought I would have this thing, and it's amazing. Obviously, all of you, or most of you should I say, came from Caleb's channel, Jinjum. I really, really appreciate him as well. And Caleb, if you're watching, I honestly, you doing so much for me. You like freaking got me a car. I'm in the shop right now, in your shop, and I'm able to work on it regardless of there's a lot to do or not. No. I can't English sometimes. I can never English. Anyway, memes. I appreciate all of you. That's basically all I'm saying. And I hope you understand that sometimes content is not going to be the car, okay? Thank you. I don't know, that's that. We caught a bunch of things on the car, and I'm gonna have to clean up all this stuff, go home and edit this video. I'm trying to post at least one video a week. I know it's not a lot. I know big YouTubers, cool YouTubers, full-time YouTubers, they're doing it more often, and I can't because I have a job and I have a side job. I'm trying to fund this build. There's a lot of things going on. Anyway, too much talking. I get it, I'm sorry. I will see you in the next video. Stay positive. Bye. Oh wait. Wait
a minute!
Check out the description for GoFundMe page, and if you still would like to help out, I really appreciate it. Thank you, goodbye. Also guys, I got this seat here. It's for sale. I'll give it away for $1. Unless Keegan comes and picks it up. Keegan, come pick it up. It's your seat.